What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm at Dulles Airport in Virginia, the DC area. I flew out here to really do some exploring and meet a lot of clients and show off systems. So what this video is going to be about is just some of the areas that we're going to be covering today. And also to inform you guys that we are now servicing this area, as well as a very extensive preferred installer network. What more do you need? Oh, that free design service, which we also offer. So you guys don't know what you need for your home theater, make sure you give us a call and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's check this city out. All right, Virginia, we have arrived. I cannot wait to get out here and meet some of you guys. It's gonna be really exciting. I got Bouchard, who is actually bringing me his Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye, which should be really fun. I'm gonna whip that thing around all y'all's homes. It's supposed to be meeting me here. Big thanks. I appreciate you letting me use your vehicle. It's gonna be a fun trip. I'm gonna throw the drone up here in a little bit too and kind of show some of the areas that I'm gonna be heading to. I'm not super familiar with this city, haven't been here in a long time, so it's gonna be awesome. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, you gotta smash that subscribe button. I mean, we got so many fun and exciting things that we're getting into this year. It's gonna be great. Alrighty. This thing is nasty.
What's going on?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Hey, how are you?
And may be damaged or destroyed. For security reasons, if not.
Woo! We are going to be ripping through Virginia. Big thanks to Bouchard. I mean, super kind dude. Can't thank him enough. This thing is wicked. I don't personally, I've never had any personal interest in owning this vehicle, but definitely always wanted to drive it. So it's going to be fun for sure. All right, guys. Well, let's check out Virginia. All right, mask is off and we are heading to Ashburn, Virginia. Heading out to visit VJ. This is gonna be sick. All right, let's roll. Washington! Wow! This thing is a freaking monster! I do not think the 800 horsepower is necessary, but it is pretty cool. Good God, look at this beauty. It's nasty. I know this channel is about home theater stuff, but I know you guys got to appreciate a nice car. I've seen y'all's garages. This thing is an all-American just beast. Alright guys, this trip is taking a turn for the worst. Check out the conditions. Definitely not horrible in comparison to what I'm used to in Colorado, but it's very, very slippery. So I'm out here in Culpeper, and yesterday I traveled all the way from IAD out to Front Royal, up through Aldi, and just a bunch of territories, all the way from the airport all the way out to Front Royal. So now I'm kind of a little bit further south, and I'm gonna work my way back up to the airport, up to Washington, DC, and there's a bunch of projects out there. So basically everything west of Washington and Washington itself, I'm recording on this project. But man, it's cold out here and the roads are dangerous, so we're gonna have to take it nice and slow. This vehicle here probably is not the best choice. Still big things to be sure, but yeah, wish me luck, guys. Here we go. All right, got the car uncovered here and about to take off. Looks like Culpeper off of Route 15 is about all that I'm gonna hit out here, but there's also Linton Hall and Gainesville, Centerville areas which I'm going to be hitting on my way back up to the airport later today. But as of right now, I'm going to try to jump down to 95 and go to Stafford. And then I also have a project in Manassas, which we're going to be checking out, and then I'm going to be shooting over to Alexandria and Upper Marlboro, so over here in the Washington area. But the roads are really not great, so I'm gonna be taking it nice and slow today. Yeah, it's basically just a slushy mess out here, and I can see why everybody's concerned, because you're just gonna be slipping and sliding around. So I'm gonna be driving Miss Daisy today, just taking it easy. All right, Virginia, DC, Maryland, I'm out. Heading to the airport. These roads are sketchy. Starting to get better, but glad I'm getting out of here. They're supposed to get more snow. Passengers, departures. That is me.